All right, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to show you how to make money with YouTube in 2026 without relying on AdSense. You can see I'm logged into my account right over here, and we just have under $400 right here with an account. This one has 20,000 subscribers on it, and you can see that I don't even make $400 per month from AdSense now. Views are way down on YouTube across the board. Most, probably 99% of long-form YouTube content creators are experiencing an all-time low right now. That's because shorts have come in and taken over the entire browse page. That means that when people log into YouTube and they're looking for something to watch, YouTube is massively promoting shorts. There's some other reasons as well, but that's one of the big ones, right? But do I let that get me down? No. I mean, my views used to be 80,000 views per month, and we're down to less than 20,000 views on this channel. Still make some AdSense money. It's great. It'll pay for a car or something like that, right? But that's not where I make all my money. That's not where I've made my $700,000 with YouTube. It's all has to do with selling product, finding an audience, meeting a need, creating valuable content. I'm going to show you. We actually have a different channel over here. I don't make my money with AdSense. I make my money as an affiliate marketer, selling other people's products, providing value to people that are interested in a product already. And what I can do is go out there and create the best review video out there and get a lot of eyeballs on it and make money. So we had one over the weekend, actually. I'm just going to show you some proof over here. So I'm going to go to switch account. You can see all my YouTube channels. I'm going to go to this one called Digital Marketing David, and I'm just going to show you right here. This is only where I put up Warrior Plus and JVZoo product reviews. That's the only reason why I have this channel particularly right here. Now, I want to come over here and go into, you can see this last video right over here. We got 821 views on this video, 7% click-through rate, and 3 minutes and 37 second average watch time. Now, none of the views right over here, no one is willing to log into their accounts and show you this information. I had not posted in over 30 days. In 30 days, I barely get any views on this channel at all. And then all of a sudden I post one video, boom, and I get a lot of views, right? And you can see we're getting some really, really good views each day. And it's mostly because of this last video, Cozy Co-Author Review. A product came out, and I'm going to show you by going into the content section, and we'll dissect this video. If I click on analytics, because you might be like, that's a little niche. How did you get so many views? Like in this small niche, 800 views is actually a lot, because you can see I usually get 200, 300 views. Sometimes I get 500 views, but like I usually don't ever get 800 views on these videos because I don't promote them. I'm not using paid advertising. I'm going to prove that to you by clicking on analytics, and you'll be able to come down here and see that YouTube recommendations recommended 81.5% of the views on this video. So 669 views came from YouTube putting my video out there and basically putting it in the algorithm and letting people watch it. Like they knew that people would be interested in this. Now, I can't figure out if this was because my inkling on this is that Smartly put KDP, the fantasy fiction KDP market nobody's talking about. I got an 85 score on vidIQ, and I kind of take that with a grain of salt. I like it to be in green. I like the score to be as high as it can be. Now, I went with Cozy Co-Author Review because you want to go for SEO. You want people to be able to type that in after somebody emails them about this product and then them find your video. So that is definitely an SEO strategy that's worked for a long time, and it still works in 2026. And that is what I teach in my school community. Real quick, I'm going to go over here and I'm going to show you right now. If you're watching this video, I'm putting the YouTube Affiliate Accelerator on a sale right now, flash sale. You can get in annually for the entire year for just $99. So I'm going to be changing the price, and you can get in for $99 for the entire year. This is normally $47 a month. I'm going to drop the price down to $99 right now. So this is your chance. I'll only do this every once in a while. This is your chance to come in and lock yourself in for an entire year. Come join the community of like-minded people. There's only 64 members in here, but they're all very, very engaged. And I've had people with me since the time that I opened this up over 2 years ago. We're looking at almost 2.5 years this has been open, and I have people that have been with me the entire time. So this is your chance. Go watch these videos, see that I'm the real deal, and I can show you and teach you how to make real money on YouTube. Okay. So I'm going to go back over here into the video. And like I said, 1,000 views on this video. I think that because the KDP is a really big market on YouTube, and YouTube, explored that and gave me a little slice of the pie and gave me more traffic than I normally get. I definitely don't think it's because of the title right here. I think that I would have gotten about 200, maybe 300 views from just the title, but really it's because YouTube pushed this, and you can kind of figure that out a little bit. That's the reason why they pushed it a little bit, because, and then YouTube search right here, we only got got 37 from there. And then I sent traffic from my email, which would have probably came, let's see, up next, direct or unknown would have been 40. And then we have, so about 100 views would have been from my own kind of doing, just posting the video. But because browse, right, and suggested, they really pushed this video, and you can see the average watch time right over here. So these are the kind of stats that no one shows you. And then, we didn't do any kind of a paid promotion or anything like that. And we got really good engagement too. We can go into comments, responded on this. So if I go over here, and you can see all the comments right over here, and it's really funny. Someone even said fake comments, and you can see from my video, I said to the viewers to actually comment Cozy Co-author if they wanted me to create more videos about this product. So nope, they are not fakes. And I answered them. So all these people that are doing this Cozy Co-author, that's because it can help me rank, right, for SEO. And it's these are people that are in my community right there, right? So these are real people that are actually engaged with my content. So I was very, very impressed with this. Now I want to show you the money that was produced from this. I kind of went against my own advice, and I had to quickly put this video out, and it was a really good product, but I just didn't have time on Friday to put together some unique bonuses. And I always try to put together a custom, brand new, fresh bonus for people so they get something brand new that they've never gotten from me. And that's a really good strategy. But unfortunately, I was just not able to do that this time. So I didn't have any bonuses, right? So if you go over here into details, you'll see that I just sent people right here to go and purchase the bonuses. Now, after this video, I'm going to be recording another video going over some one-time offers on this, and I'm going to put together a bonus and see if I can get some more sales. I'm going to go in here into Warrior Plus and just see how much money that I made from this right over here. So we come over here and you go into like stats over here, and then we go in here to last 7 days, and we'll be able to come and see that Cozy Co-author still made me $100. We got 84 hops and 7 sales. Now this tells me, check this out. So if we come through here and I show you over the last 30 days, for example, what kind of hop conversion rate that I actually know how to get and can get, is look at 111 hop conversion rate on that one, right? 18 hops, 19 sales, 40% conversion rate right there. 177 hops, 71 sales, 40%. Look at all those giant numbers. Now, when you come back over here and you look at why did I get only 7 sales out of, this is good traffic, believe it or not, 84 real organic views on something that people are already interested in. It's actually, you can make some really good money with that low of clicks on your affiliate link, right? If you're not making any money with affiliate marketing, would you love to get 80 clicks to your affiliate link basically for free? It is for free. It just costs your time, right? And you can see this is still not, nothing to like complain about. An 8% conversion rate in any other market is amazing, right? The Shopify stores and anything e-commerce has a less than 3% conversion rate on average. So you're already over doubling industry standards, period. So I'll live with that, right? $100. It took me 30 minutes to put that review together. So it's great. This is where the real money is made right here, guys. $100. I put together a review video, put any more extra effort into it, didn't even create bonuses, and people still bought from me. Now there is a leaderboard, and I'm barely on the leaderboard. I'm like the 25th top affiliate. They made over 1,000 sales. It ended up being a huge launch, and I'm regretful that I didn't get ahead of it. So that's a quick tip for you too. If you want to get it, you got to get some content out there before the launch, and you have to have bonuses. So what this tells me is that people came and watched my video because they know that I put out the best review videos. I actually dive deep into the product. I use my business acumen, and I use my experience in over 15 years of making money online and doing affiliate marketing and YouTube and all that stuff, right? And I kind of assess the product and say, hey, do I recommend this product? Do I like the vendor? And is it a safe buy for you, right? A real business opportunity that you could actually, if you really took it serious, could you start being profitable and making money? And I kind of put my final stamp of approval, or if you will, on it. So there's no BS, right? And so people like to watch my review videos, right? Let's go back over here and look at some of the stats, right? We go into analytics, look at right over here. We got 49 hours of watch time on this video. So it was like double what I even normally get. We got a lot more views than normal. And then subscribers, 15 real subscribers subscribed to me from this as well. So Pretty cool stuff. I'll just leave with that is that if I would have made bonuses on this, right? This tells me that people came and watched the video, but then they didn't buy because what did they do? They went and tried to find somebody else that either emailed them or somebody else's video that gave them bonuses. They watched my video. Oh, okay, David says this is a great product. Cool. So check mark. Dang it, he didn't offer any bonuses. Let me go find somebody else that did create bonuses. And that's it, right? And so then they go and they actually buy it through another affiliate that created bonuses. So that's another tip. Make sure that you create bonuses if you're doing Warrior Plus or JVZoo. And like I slept on it this one time. I didn't do it. I still made sales, but I probably would have made $1,000 if I would have dropped bonuses on that one. And then as well, if I would have got my content out a little bit faster, emailed my list the day before, there's a lot of things that you can do to get ahead of the curve on a launch. And then what you do is that you know that these are great people. Look at Audio Dollars. Is still selling from like 2 months ago from the same guy, right? So that means that anytime the Copy Viking comes out with something, I'm going to promote it because it's really top of the line products. JK Dowdle, another one. I know I'm going to do good on his products right there. I'll come over here and we just go to like last 30 days. We made some really good money from REM's launch, almost $1,800 from the REM's launch right there as well. So that's how you make money with YouTube and affiliate marketing. And you don't have, like I just proved to you right here, look, my channel isn't even monetized. Can we go into analytics? Channel is not monetized. I mean, I can come over here, public watch time hours. I don't even have 1,000 public watch time hours on this channel, and it has made me tens of thousands of dollars. All you got to do is just go look at the content right over here. Look at all these reviews that I've done. Do you think that I would be doing this if I didn't make thousands, tens of thousands of dollars from this? I could show you the oldest videos from like 2020 on this channel, like 5 years ago. And why am I still creating content right here in 2026? Because I could go into every single one of these videos and prove to you that I made hundreds of dollars from each one. Okay. So that's what I show you and teach you how to do. Come join right now. Normally this is like $300 or $400 per year. Come join for $99 right now. If you're watching this right now, let's come in, join YouTube Affiliate Accelerator and learn from an expert in the field. Thanks so much. And I'll see you in the next video.